Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing everything you need so the animation flows. This prevents repeated resizing later. Drag the vector map onto a 16:9 slide, lock its position, and place markers as separate images. Once done, import your CSV to reference stop names and times. You will use those values for labels and timing. Make sure to group each marker with its shadow and label so they move together, because consistent grouping keeps animations precise and editable. You now map the journey using motion builds. Draw a move path from each stop to the next, adjusting anchor points over the vector map. This controls trajectory. Then sync durations to your CSV timecodes so visual movement matches your intended pacing. Stagger delays to avoid overlapping starts. Once done, apply easing curves and slight rotation to markers for natural acceleration and direction change, because human eyes expect subtle physics rather than linear translation. You finish by polishing arrivals. Scale up and fade in labels, add a shadow grow for impact, and synchronize to your narration track. Then export at 1080p 264, checking frame timing and audio sync in a media player to confirm everything matches. If playback stutters, simplify concurrent builds, disable motion blur, or bake animations by converting builds to separate slides. This reduces rendering strain and fixes timing drift. Try one change at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.